Cerebrum City. Remember this place, Dusty?
I'm not here for a trip down memory lane, Bird. I'm here to find that thieving bastard.
Get up there and catch him!
Damn stairs. Now I have you, crook.
Farewell! May your days be soiled in dread and despair.
Gate, it looks so strange. Mayor Relic!
Piper, you brought back something old and musty. Your presence brings me joy, old Dusty.
Mayor, what the heck happened here?
Trauma in the conscious mind. The nightmares have come unconfined. They've seized our lands without remorse. We hide in fear behind closed doors.
That's why the mayor sent me to find you.
So a few nightmares escaped the gate and you're scared, huh? I'm not your guard anymore, Mayor. I'm only here to beat that thief and get my stuff back.
You have been unneeded for long, my friend, but the mind now needs your aid again.
Yeah!
Needs my aid? Huh. The mind stopped challenging itself. I've been forgotten.
I cannot blame you for feeling so rotten.
So, do you know why the gate acts strange? We can't go through.
Too much fear came through the gate and left it in an altered state.
Enough gibberish. How do we fix it so I can get my scrapbook back?
If you must the gate traverse, the flow again must be reversed. Defeating a nightmare, I'll confess, should put an end to all this mess.
So beating up a single loose nightmare could reverse the gate? Okay, Mayor. Where do I find one?
A gangly corpus slinkered by and disappeared into freedom isles. Creative thoughts now drown in gas. This seedling here should clear your path.
With all that rhyming, this better work, old man.
Wait, I'm coming too! I love the right side of the mind.
No way.
Whoa! Like growing an idea.
Let's just hope it holds up. More damn stairs.